Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Friday night. We're here at the weekend. And this can only mean one thing: yard work. Tomorrow we're going to tackle that. I don't even know what kind of bush this is, what kind of shrub this is. You can see it's at least 8 feet tall, taller than me. I usually trim it down to about here. So we're going to use some Milwaukee hedge trimmers, cordless hedge trimmers. We're going to get that taken care of. We're going to get the lawn mowed, and we're going to do the front yard out there, and then we're going to tackle our backyard here. So we got a lot to do. Stick around. We're going to get started. So we're going to use this cordless Milwaukee hedge trimmer setup that I borrowed from my brother. My brother sells Milwaukee tools as well as a bunch of industrial supplies. He's actually got a tool truck. It's pretty cool. Maybe someday we'll take a walk inside and I'll show you what that's all about. It's pretty sweet setup. But anyway, that hedge trimmer is going to make pretty light work of those hedges. So we'll get started and we'll see how we do. Okay, that certainly didn't take too long with the Milwaukee hedge trimmer, and then we did a little cleanup there with the Milwaukee M18 fuel blower. So let's go get this dumped and then we'll move on to mowing grass. Alright, because the hedge trimmers is not something you use every day, what you can do is put a little fluid film on here. That'll hopefully prevent everything from rusting. If this is just one of those things that you use, every 6 months to a year. And if you're skeptical on the fluid film, it says it right there. Good for hedge trimmers. So put a little fluid film on it and keep your blades in good shape. Alright, that pretty much takes care of the shrubs. Let's get started on the lawn, and that should wrap us up for today. that takes care of all the chores for today. We did the lawn. We trimmed the hedge. Angela worked on the decorations out front, which came out pretty amazing. And that pretty much kills it for today. Tomorrow we're going to be taking the TJ out. We're going to be going doing a little off-roading tomorrow. So stick around. That video will be coming out soon. So I guess that's it for today. Please like, subscribe, and share. And thanks for watching.